Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we bring you Q4 review of 3 stocks. They are Solara Active Pharma, SRF Limited and Sundram Fasteners. Let us first look at Solara Active Pharma. Company reported a strong performance for Q4 FY21 with earnings growing 218% year-on-year to Rs 56.6 crore. The management expects the strong growth momentum of financial year 21 to sustain in financial year 22 as well. The sales and the profit after tax are expected to clock a 23% and 24.3% CAGR over FY21 to 23 estimates respectively. Analyst has retained buy recommendation on Solara Active Pharma with a revised price target of Rs 2,000, factoring a robust growth outlook across both API and the CRAMS segment, backed by ramp-up of Vizag Phase 1 plant as well as the expected commissioning of Vizag Phase 2 multi-product plant. Next is SRF Limited. Analyst maintains buy on SRF with a revised price target of Rs 8,100 as we expect strong double-digit earning cycle in coming years led by continued high capex plan of Rs 1,600 to 1,900 crore for financial year 22. Specialty chemical guidance of 10 to 15% for FY22 is on a high base of 45% growth in FY21. Large Q4 beat led by strong growth in specialty chemical and technical textiles. Favorable dynamics of Indian specialty chemical space to support premium valuation. SRF currently trades at 25 times its FY23 estimates earning per share. Sundram Fasteners. Company's robust performance in Q4 FY21 was in line with our estimates. Consolidated PAT grew 148% year-on-year, driven by 53.2% year-on-year growth in revenues and 380 basis points year-on-year expansion in EBITDA margin, which is at 18.6%. The company has a strong long-term revenue visibility, given its strong relationship with OEMs, both in India and globally. Analyst maintains buy rating on Sundram Fastener Limited with an unchanged price target of Rs 850, led by company's strong performance outpacing automobile industry growth through diversifying client and product portfolios, benefiting from its established client relationships and prudent capital allocation. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.